Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run ads to gain more TikTok followers for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program because maybe you've seen a YouTube video or a TikTok post or an Instagram post showing how much people are making with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, I was able to get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program by running TikTok ads for a brand new TikTok account. And so that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. Now, if you want to follow along with me, you can use my link down below in the description to actually sign up and follow along with me as I show you how to run ads to gain followers for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, once you click on the link down below, you're simply just going to sign up for a TikTok Ads Manager account. So you can just click on the Get Started button on any of these buttons here, or you can scroll down and sign up entering an email or a password as well. Once you do that, you're going to reach a prompt that looks like this here, where you need to insert your business name, website URL, industry, country, currency, time zone, mobile phone number, and then just accept the terms and conditions and then click on continue. Now, when you first log onto your TikTok Ads Manager account, this is what your dashboard and homepage is going to look like. You're going to click on create ad, and then for the objective of your ad, which is this prompt that's going to appear here, you need to click on this toggle menu and then click on community interaction. And then notice how it's going to say choose this objective to get more people to follow your TikTok account, which is exactly what we want. Now, for your campaign name, I usually name my campaigns based on what my video is about. So I've ran ads for golf balls, potatoes, eggplants, wooden slat panels. So for our example, we're just going to name it potato. And then under campaign budget optimization, you're going to make sure that this is toggled on. And so what this does is that it automatically optimizes your budget allocation, meaning that more of your budget is going to be spent on better performing ads, while less of your budget is going to be spent on the poor performing ads. So for the budget, I usually set this to 80 US dollars. And so you'll see here that it says you'll spend up to 100 US dollars on some days, and then other days you'll spend less than 80 US dollars. But on average, you're going to spend around 80 US dollars. But my recommendation is that while you have these ad groups running, you should keep a close eye on them. And then later on in the video, I'll explain to you what to look out for when it comes to actually turning off or on your ads. But for here, just click on continue. Now on this page here, for the ad group name, I usually just give it a number. So we're just going to give this number 1. And then the targeting, the demographics, the age, languages, gender, this could all stay the same because we're just looking for people to follow our TikTok account. Then scroll all the way down to where it says schedule. Now I normally start my schedule based on midnight of the next day. So today's January 5th. I'll change this to January 6th. We'll do 00, 00, and then click on OK, and then OK. Now for bidding and optimization, you just want to make sure that the optimization goal is set to follow, and then click on continue. Now on this page here, you want to click on post authorized by account, and then click on authorized TikTok post. So here is where you need to enter your TikTok post code. And so what I'll do is I'll hop onto my phone right now and I can show you exactly how to do this. But if you haven't already, now would actually be the good time to go ahead and post your TikTok video that you plan to run TikTok ads towards. So hop into your TikTok application and then click on profile. And then find the post that you want to run ads towards. So we're just going to use this post as an example. Then click on the 3 dots on the right hand side. And then scroll all the way to the right on the 3rd row and then click on ad settings. So from here, you want to scroll down and under ad authorization, you're going to see a toggle button. Click on the toggle button and then set this to 365 days and then click on authorize. Next, under video code, click on generate and then you'll see that it says video code is pending. Click on save, and then if you scroll down, now the video code is going to say ready. So click on manage and then click on copy code, and now your video code has been copied. So that code that you just copied, you're going to paste it into this text box here. So let me grab my code and paste it here and then click on search. And then you should see a preview of your TikTok post. Click on confirm. So next you want to scroll down and then under TikTok post, you want to click on this. And then here you want to find the TikTok post that you just added. So click on the checkbox mark for it and then click on continue and then scroll all the way down and then make sure that this box here is checked. By checking this inbox, you confirm that you have the right to use music in this for commercial purposes and then click on publish all. So now you've published your first TikTok ad group. let's go ahead and hop onto our campaign dashboard and let me explain to you what to look out for. So here's where you should see the name of your campaign, and under status, it might say under review or pending. For a brand new TikTok Ads Manager account, it might take anywhere between 2 to 6 hours for your ad group or campaign to be approved. Next, let's click into the campaign, and then as your ad starts to run, you should see only one ad group here right now. My recommendation is that you duplicate that ad group at least 3 times so that you have 3 different ad groups running for the same exact video. So to better explain, these 3 ad groups that you see right here, these are all the same exact video. And then these 3 ad groups that you see over here, these are all the same exact video. So I have 2 different videos that have 3 different ad groups each, totaling a total of 6 ad groups. Now, once these ads are running, if you scroll more to the right, the first thing I look at is CPM. So for CPM, you'll see that this one is $6, this one's $36, and this one's $63. What that means is that I'm spending $6 for every 1,000 views on this ad group. I'm spending 36 on this one, and I'm spending 63 on this one. So because this one is a lot higher than this one here, I'll turn this ad group off by clicking on this toggle button that you see right there. So now you can see that it's been turned off. Ideally, you want to get your CPM to be as low as possible, and ideally you want it to be less than $6. And then the other thing you can look at is that if I turn off my screen here, you'll see that there's a cost per result metric as well, where I've been paying 8 cents per follower on this ad group, whereas I've been paying 44 cents per follow on this ad group. So again, your instinct should be to turn off this ad group here while you keep on the more affordable ad group over here, where you're only paying 6 or 8 cents a follower. Now, my recommendation is that you try to get your followers for less than 6 cents a follow, okay? I've helped people achieve metrics of getting followers for less than 3 cents, which is really good, but the cheaper the better, just so you don't spend so much on ads. But with the actual video that I post, it's usually around 6 to 12 seconds long, and there usually is a call to action within the video saying like follow for part 2 or follow to find out what happens next. So just make sure that your video is short, sweet, and simple, and also make sure that there is a call to action telling people to subscribe, telling people to follow your TikTok account. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to re-watch this video, do make sure that you sign up in the link down below in the description. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to re-watch this video, I would recommend that you follow along with me by clicking on the link down below in the description so that you could at least sign up for your first TikTok Ads Manager account. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.